cough is immediately fading away. Every last vestige of irritation and discomfort in my throat is fading away into nothing. My airway is incredibly healthy, soothed, relaxed, and is always performing well. My mouth, throat, and nasopharynx are perfectly healthy and ideally functioning. My throat, mouth, and nasopharynx are fully painless and soothed. My throat is immediately soothed. My vocal cords are perfectly healthy and ideal. I can eat, speak, sing, and swallow without any form of irritation in my mouth and throat. I am immune to throat pain when speaking, swallowing, breathing, and singing.